Good morning everyone, Matthew here at UKWF for a quick midweek video brief on Wednesday the 25th of November. Now starting with a quick look at some satellite imagery just to highlight a few features of interest. And we've got an area of high pressure situated to the west and the southwest of the British Isles, and areas of weather systems, should I say, are moving over the top of the area of high pressure and down into the UK on a west or northwesterly wind. Now this general trend will continue throughout the next 24 to 36 hours or so, but overall the weather systems moving into the UK from the northwest are relatively weak, and as a result some rather quiet and benign conditions will continue over the next day or so, with just patchy light rain and showers across some northern and western areas, but overall there will be quite a lot of dry weather. However, bringing your attention to this region of cloud here, way to the west of the British Isles and to the south of Greenland, and this is Greenland here, and this region is Newfoundland over in eastern Canada. Now this is a cold front, and as we've been indicating and as we highlighted yesterday on a blog on our website, behind this weather front, this cold front, much colder air which is filtering out of eastern Canada will follow behind it. And this cold front will continue to progress across the North Atlantic over the next 24 to 36 hours before then moving down across the British Isles through the course of Friday to introduce a colder west or northwesterly wind to end the working week, and also then continue into the forthcoming weekend. So let's zoom in now and take a closer look at the British Isles in some closer detail. So here we are, Wednesday the 25th at midday today, and the northwesterly wind bringing scattered showers across parts of northern and eastern Scotland, perhaps down some eastern areas, coastal areas of eastern England, but particularly so across parts of Northern Ireland through the Irish Sea, down into Wales and southwest England. But if I continue to progress through the remainder of Wednesday afternoon and into Wednesday evening, you can see a lot of fine and dry weather does develop. Yes, there will still be a few showers in the northwesterly wind, but overall, by the time we get to this evening and overnight into Thursday the 26th, there is a lot of dry weather. Now moving on through Thursday, now, as I indicated, the weather systems moving into the UK will be relatively weak. So whilst there will be some patchy light rain and drizzle across parts of western Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, and perhaps also into southwest Scotland and northwest England as well, you can see on Thursday the 26th, around about mid-afternoon, there is a lot of dry weather across the British Isles, particularly across eastern Scotland and many central, southern and eastern areas of England too. Now keep your eye on to the northwest of the British Isles as I continue to progress through the sequence, and here comes that cold front, quite a significant feature which will quickly spread southwards across many areas of the British Isles through the course of Friday. This will bring quite a persistent and significant amount of rain in quite a short space of time, with some strong and gusty winds as the cold front moves through. Now as the cold front moves through, quite a rapid drop in temperatures by several degrees will occur, and then following on behind to end Friday, here we are Friday the 27th around about 9 p.m, frequent showers then will move into western Scotland, parts of Ireland and northwest England, and especially above around about 200 to 250 metres these showers will turn increasingly to sleet and snow later on Friday. So finally, let's take a look at some temperatures now through the rest of the working week. And generally in the next 24 to 36 hours we'll see temperatures rise somewhat as somewhat milder air moves in ahead of that cold front. But through the remainder of Wednesday, particularly across more northern and eastern areas of the British Isles, temperatures just 4, 5, 6 or 7 degrees, but further south and west temperatures nearing double figures. On into Wednesday night, and it will be another chilly night locally across some northern and eastern areas of the British Isles. So by the time we get through to Thursday morning, there could be a little patchy frost across parts of eastern Scotland, northeast England and perhaps down into East Anglia. But no, again, further west, temperatures into double figures, and watch out as those milder conditions then filter across the UK through the course of Thursday. So perhaps with the exception of some eastern and southeastern areas of England where temperatures may still only be around about 6, 7 or 8 degrees, the further north and west you are, temperatures more widely reaching 9, 10 or 11 degrees through the course of Thursday afternoon. Now a mild night follows on Thursday night and into Friday morning. Here we are around about 6 a.m. on Friday the 27th, and note many areas are seeing temperatures of 8, 9, 10 or 11 degrees. But note, following the cold front, not that big difference in temperatures, 11, 12 or perhaps even local 13, and behind it temperatures quickly fall away. And as if I continue to progress through Friday, you can see that marked difference in temperatures. So by the time we get to around about mid-afternoon on Friday the 27th, note many central, southern and eastern areas of England seeing temperatures into double figures. Then as soon as the cold front, the weather front moves through, temperatures drop markedly to just 3, 4 or 5 degrees. So this will be quite a significant and important feature of the weather through the course of Friday, and then that leads on to a pretty chilly evening on Friday night and through into Saturday morning, with perhaps some frost and icy patches in places. So that's all the details for the rest of the working week. As ever, we'll keep you posted, and we will also have our midweek update on the website later on today.